Peace be upon you. God willing, in this video, I will explain how you can get a job in the right place at the right time with the click of a button. The topic is simplified that LinkedIn is always considered one of the most important things to get a job. Why? Because LinkedIn is specialized only for companies. For example, it relates to jobs and the company in general, so there is the right place for you to get a job. Moreover, companies are actually launching many jobs related to marketing, depending on the industry or specialty you want exactly. So, God willing, we will proceed, and as you can see, the entire workflow is working in front of you. Now it is literally fetching all of the client data for me. Let's move on now, and I will explain the whole topic to you. Besides that, you will see the Excel sheet organized with all the data of companies, jobs, and job descriptions. And when they actually launched the job advertisement, like 6 hours ago or 2 hours ago, everything will be updated. The good thing is that they don't need full-time, part-time, or a specific project. Just according to your criteria, you will get the data, and from here, you can choose the right company for you. And start applying for the job. Okay. Let's first explain the workflow in a very simplified manner, and God willing later we will move to Google Sheets and see all the data completely. Then, God willing, I will take you through how we connect and how we actually fetch the data. Initially, we have in a simplified manner, I can specify the time we need to start fetching the jobs. We have the CTP focus. The CTP focus is very simple that I actually connect to it, and besides that, I can put the URL for the company. How did I actually get the URL? As you can see in front of you, I wrote AI and wrote that it is in Saudi Arabia, and it relates to jobs. Of course, here you have the week monthly, or I can say within 24 hours. The topic is very simple. I come here and take the complete link. Then I can say and put the link here in the complete URL, so it will access this topic on the link provided and fetch all the data according to the data I need. Besides that, I might want to expand. I don't want just one link, I want more than one link. For example, it relates to industrial marketing, contracting, real estate. The topic is very simple. I can also expand. If I want more than one URL to target, it's simple. I do this, copy it, and paste it under the best and put here a comma and change the URL. How do I change the URL? I go to LinkedIn and write. I wrote here marketing and took the URL for the topic. And I come to LinkedIn and put the link here completely. So now I have related to industrial marketing, and I can also expand according to demand. By clicking after that in a simplified manner, we have this program. I honestly consider it one of the best programs for scraping, and at the same time, it's powerful. The topic is simple. I go to the program and click on. Then I go to LinkedIn, and then I will complete the entire topic. But the topic is simple. You can actually take the entire template I have in the community and directly come to the program and do the settings. Then come to use an API key and generate a new API key. Of course, don't forget that you need to put the amount. Put $10 as a fee and come here, API key, and generate the API key and take the API key. And we come to you and come here. And we put the topic or come here and create new credentials and put the API key here and it will connect with you completely. After that, we have the FF in a simplified manner because we are taking more than one data, more than one piece of data. So what is happening here is that it is downloading and generating and then it goes back to take the data according to the demand we want exactly. Then it will go to Google Sheets. Then we have here merge. The idea of merge is that it will organize the topic for us as the data will come in many rows. It will come in more than one row. It will put it all in one place, and it will go to the job analysis or the jobs. So I'm giving it all the things. Job title, company name, job industry, and so on, all complete. Then it will transfer to Google Sheets in general to store the data we want. Of course, we have given this data that we only need. So when we go to Google Sheets, we will find all the data of the companies we actually targeted related to AI, and you can also relate to Pilot, for example, with the AI and get all the data completely. So, consequently, I know what I need regarding the hired shots and what Meta has launched. The advertisement will give me, and what it will give me, and we have the job industry, or it will give me the description related to the job. And with Meta, the advertisement will give me, and it was just 1 day ago, meaning the last update was just a moment ago when I fetched the information. We have 7 minutes. This is just launched in Riyadh, related to the job that a person needs regarding industrial jobs, and we have given the date. So I don't need to drive my car and go to the topic. It's simple. I take the system, and directly it will fetch all the companies that have job postings on LinkedIn. So I enter their LinkedIn and apply for the job and proceed. Thus, I have effectively saved time. This video is simply to convey the idea correctly. The system is simply that it saves me time by fetching all the companies and all the information I have in Google Sheets. So I can see which company is good and start applying for a job or submit my CV so that they accept me. Besides that, you can actually do this project as a business for those who don't need a job. Now, everyone needs a job. So if you make this system as a business, you can actually sell jobs to people and tell them, I have, within 2 hours, they launched. Like within 24 hours, they launched this, according to the category. You go sell this data, or you can sell it to individuals, or you might do it personally. We have reached the end of the video. God willing, we will see you in upcoming videos.